Good morning and welcome to Rick's Remedies, where you've got questions and we've got answers. With me this morning is the one and only Rick Hamilton, and he's going to answer a question about purple pools. Good morning, Rick.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How you doing?
Pretty good. I have a question from a caller. They want to know, they said, help, my pool is purple. And they want to know what caused that, first of all, and what do they need to do to fix it? I have no idea. Can you help me?
No, I don't have any idea either. They should probably just fill it in with concrete.
That's a great solution.
No, the problem is caused by metals in your pool. The most common ones are manganese and copper cyranate. A high stabilizer level accentuates the problem and makes it purple. So what you have to do first is lower the stabilizer level. Unfortunately, the only way to do that is to drain off usually a third of your water, depending on how high it is. You want to keep that stabilizer at 55 parts per million or lower. So if it's higher than that, you're gonna have that problem accentuated. Once you drain off and get that stabilizer level down, you'll refill with fresh pool water. You want to bring your pH down to about 6.8, which is very low. You want to use a metal remover like Metal Out. There's several of them on the market. Choose one that your dealer recommends. Keep your pH down to 6.8 for a couple days and brush your pool every day. You'll probably also have stains on your liner that are purple. So over a couple days, if you keep your pH down and brush it and get that stabilizer down, like we discussed, that purple color and the purple will go away, and then you'll be able to enjoy your pool again.
Interesting. Perfect. Purple is actually my favorite color. One of my favorite colors.
Well,
So
in that case, you would just leave it that way.
I would be pretty excited if I walked out and found a purple pool, but I could see where it probably would be indicative of a problem. I would have never thought it was metals, so that's good information to have.
Yeah, it's a combination of the metals being in there, and then the high stabilizer accentuates it and
Mhm.
creates that copper cyranate.
Crazy. Crazy. All right. Well, thanks, Rick. We appreciate it.
Thank
And
you.
yeah, as always, follow us on social media. That's where you're going to find a lot of just general water chemistry. So you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Spotify. You can call us. You can reach us at 877-274-7261. That's our customer experience hotline. Or you can email us info@apiwater.com. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll talk to you soon.
See you soon. Thank you.